From the dust of the earth and the sweat of human endeavor, civilizations rise, stone upon stone, beam upon beam. Yet behind the grandeur of temples, bridges, and towers, behind the soaring arches and monoliths that dare to touch the heavens, there stand those whose names are lost to time: the construction workers, the masons, the engineers, those whose hands shape the world. They were the silent architects of progress, unsung yet indispensable. Day by day they toiled, their labor the quiet rhythm upon which empires pulsed. They measured, carved, lifted and bound, transforming raw earth into enduring monuments. Each brick was a testament to patience, each beam a whisper of ingenuity, each foundation a covenant with posterity. Civilizations crumble, kingdoms fall, and empires dissolve into the sands of memory. Yet their work endures. The pyramids of Giza, the aqueducts of Rome, the cathedrals of Europe. These are not merely stone and mortar. They are echoes of human resilience, the immortal testimony of those who built without acclaim, who dreamed without recognition, whose genius was silent but eternal. Let us honor the forgotten hands, the unseen minds, the builders of civilizations. For in their toil they captured eternity, and in their labor they granted us monuments not only of stone, but of human aspiration, perseverance, and glory.